Hey guys, I did just purchase two contracts of the $18 call for Riot. This is strictly playing premium. I'm not really playing on getting in the money. It's really just about playing the premium here. So usually, actually they expire next week, right? But they were actually sitting at 35 bucks earlier today at 6:30. So I'm gonna be holding them. I think probably till Monday. I think. And if we do see, Bitcoin or basically crypto in general go up during the weekend like it usually does, which I'm half expecting, right? Or else I wouldn't do this play. I do expect it to at least go back, a couple percentage, if not a full 100% back to 35. So if Bitcoin stays its ground over the weekend and it stays at like above 20,000, above $20,000, I do think Riot will basically do another moonshot again on Monday morning, and that's when I'll probably sell, right? But as of right now, I only bought two. It's just 30 bucks. I mean, I'm not really doing it's not really a big position, just two contracts of the $18, but I'm looking for a full 100% gain here on Monday.